So you guys are probably wondering, Jermaine, where the have you been? And you can say that I fucked up. I made a couple decisions this week that will be changing a lot of the things that we have going forward, and you'll just have to wait and see exactly what I've done. But yeah, some people may like it, some people may not. That's fine. That's just how things go. So I will be selling a car. Is it this one? I don't know. Is it the Dakar? I don't know. I'm also buying a car. What am I buying? I don't know. Well, I know, but I can't really tell you guys that. But yeah, you guys will be coming along for the ride, and I'll be letting you guys know exactly what I plan to do this week. Yeah, I haven't really been recording because I haven't really had anything to record. So and since I'm the worst video person ever, like even when I go and do stuff, like yesterday I went to Cape Cod and I was at a cookout, with Budman Racing on that Lance, Rambo, JD, Marvin with the Evo, with the Evo, because I never understood why people say Evo when the word is evolution. It's not evolution. But yeah, if I remember, I'll drop some pics of their cars and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys know how I am. I make really quick, on the whim, on the fly, seat of my pants decisions. I'm always buying and selling stuff. I'm switching plans up, things like that. But that's just how I am. Because I'm not the type of person who would like to be like, damn, what if I did this? What if I didn't do that? Blah, blah, blah. Granted, that has bit me in the ass. Pause. Very much so regret selling the Skyline. I missed that car. That's literally the only car that I regret selling. Well, I also regret selling the 6-speed E36 because I could have sold it for like 5 times what I sold it for, because prices are insane right now. Like, especially like a 420G transmission or a 6-speed swap with a 420G is probably like $2,500 alone. So, yeah. So, yeah. So I've just been kind of busy planning, trying to get some stuff done, and those stuff will be done, so you guys will be seeing it. I'm kind of rambling because I really don't know what to say, because I didn't really plan to do this, but I'm like, I haven't made a video in a while. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? I'm probably going to do another giveaway, so this will probably be like when I get to 4,000. I'll give away my power washer. It's brand new. Haven't used it. This one right here. Oh, actually, no, I tested it to make sure that it works. So I'll probably give this away, or give one away, because it's a very good entry-level power washer. Like, it's not too strong or anything, but it's definitely way better than just using a hose and stuff like that. Like, it makes the washing experience a lot easier. So I'll probably give one away. 4,000 subs. So, yeah, this was just like a super quick video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.